Welcome to this tutorial by Hertzinno. In this video, we'll show you how to upgrade your acoustic camera. First, check the current version of your acoustic camera, go to System Settings, then open Product Information. Next, copy the firmware file to a USB drive. Make sure the firmware version is higher than the current version of the camera. Before upgrading, ensure the battery level is sufficient. Then, go back to System Settings and select System Upgrade, choose Local Upgrade, and tap Upgrade to begin. The upgrade process takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Please make sure the battery level is above 60% during the upgrade. Once the upgrade is complete, select Restart Device. Finally, go to the device information page to confirm the upgrade was successful. For more information, please visit our website or contact us for support.